So let us study about the types of matrix today. There are so many types of matrix. The last time we had learned that what is the meaning of matrix, and now let us pass on to the types of matrix we have. The first and foremost type of a matrix is the row matrix. You just see what is the meaning of the row matrix. So here we have a row matrix. A matrix having only one row of an element. So let us see, this is the matrix. Let us say A matrix, 6, minus 2, 4, 3, like this. Okay, only one row it is having. So that is what we termed as an what here? Row matrix. So here we have a row matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? The order m into n. M should be what here? The 1. And whatever it may be, say it has a 4 elements, it has a 9 elements, it has 10 elements, 1000 elements, whatever. A matrix having only one column of n elements, the real numbers, is termed as an what here? Column matrix. You just see this one is the column matrix. This is the row and this one is the column matrix. So n into 1, okay. So this is what we termed as 5, 6, 7, like this. It just goes on. So here is how many rows we have here? The 1, 2, 3, but the column is having only one column it is having. So that is why it is mentioned as n into 1. N is whatever. Okay, how many number of rows? 1000 rows are there like this. But the column should be what here? Only 1. So that is why n into what I can able to mention? 1. So the next type of matrix is the zero matrix. A matrix having all elements is 0. All the elements in the matrix is equal to the 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then it is termed as an what here? Zero matrix. So matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Then what you can able to say? So the number of row is equal to the number of columns. It looks like a square. Okay, so it means that 1, 9, 3, 4. Whether you can take it 1, 9, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 into 3 it will become. So therefore it is termed as what here? The square matrix. The columns are equal to what here? The rows. So that is what I can able to say the square matrix. So here it is there in square matrix, the left to right diagonal is called as a principal diagonal. Just I will show you the what is principal diagonal here, the left to the right here. Okay, just I will show you like this. So left to what here? Right. So the diagonal in a square matrix, in a what here? Square matrix, the left to right diagonals is called a what here? The principal diagonal. And the elements of the principal diagonal are called the diagonal elements. So this one, from here to here, these are diagonal elements. So we have like this. So these are this is an arrow is showing now. So this is the diagonal elements. If a square matrix, all non-diagonals elements are 0, then it is called as a diagonal matrix. So you please see this one. So here in this, the principal diagonal is having some number, but these other numbers are what here? 0. Such a type of a matrix is called as an what here? Diagonal matrix. So there is another kind of a matrix is called as a scalar matrix. You please observe these two things. Here is the 1 and here is the 1. What makes a difference? Here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is there here. And we have, please observe the diagonal matrix here, 3, 3, 3 it is there. So you can define like this, what is the meaning of the scalar matrix? If a diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements are what here? Equal. All diagonal matrix, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, whatever it may be. So then it is termed as an what here? scalar matrix. So, if in a scalar matrix all diagonal elements are equal to 1, you see 1 1 1 I can say. So, here is the example for that. Okay, 1 1 1, then it is termed as an what here? Unit matrix. So, it is termed as an unit matrix here, 1 1 1 like this. So, there are other types of matrix are also there. Equality of matrix, if both the A is the one matrix, the B is another matrix, the both are equal means, so we can able to say that it's got an equal matrix or equality of what here? Matrix. So, I can say like this 4 1 2 4, here is the one matrix is there. So, this is equal to A, B and C, D. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 4. So, therefore, this is what the equality of a what here? Matrix. Two matrices of same type are said to be equal if the corresponding elements are what here? Equal. Corresponding elements, what happens? Equal. So, these are the some kinds of the matrix. So, we have so the first and foremost things in the type of matrix, a row matrix, second one is a column matrix, another one is a square matrix. So, and beside that the scalar matrix we have, and also the diagonal matrix we have. So, these are the types of matrix. Next we shall pass on to what here? How to add this matrix and how to multiply this matrix. Thank you for watching the video.